By the end of this video, you will know how to enable email receipts in Stripe checkout. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard with your account. Once the dashboard opens, look to the interface controls and click the settings icon, shown as a gear. This opens the main settings area for your Stripe account, where the business and customer communication options are managed. Inside settings, go to business. In that section, find and open the Customer Emails tab. This is where Stripe controls the emails that are sent to customers after certain account and payment events. If the page takes a moment to load, wait for the available options to appear before continuing. On the Customer Emails page, look for the Payment section. Under that section, find a toggle labeled Successful Payments. Turn that toggle on. This setting allows Stripe to send an email receipt to a customer after a payment is completed through Stripe Checkout. Make sure the toggle is enabled before moving on, since that is the setting tied to successful payment receipts. If you also want customers to receive refund receipts, stay in the same payment section and locate the refunds toggle. Turn that on as well. This step is optional, so only enable it if you want Stripe to email customers when a refund is issued. If you only need receipts for successful payments, you can leave the refund setting unchanged. There's no separate save button for this page. Stripe saves the change automatically as soon as you enable the toggle. After switching on the setting you need, pause briefly and confirm that the toggle remains on. That helps you verify the change was accepted by the dashboard. Next, complete a payment through Stripe Checkout. Use your own checkout flow so the receipt setting can be confirmed in the same environment where customers will pay. The goal here is to trigger a successful payment event and allow Stripe to send a corresponding receipt email. After the payment goes through, verify that the customer receives an email receipt for the successful payment. Check the inbox for the email address used during the checkout session and confirm that the receipt arrives after the transaction is completed. If you enable refund receipts as well, that setting will apply to refunds going forward, but for this check, you are only confirming the successful payment receipt. If the email does not appear immediately, give it a short moment and then check again. The key point is that the receipt should be generated from the successful payment setting you enabled in customer emails. Your Stripe checkout account is now set to send email receipts for successful payments.